Morning, children. Today is a bright sunny day. So let's start our day with something beautiful. I welcome you all to Value Education session of K-Tech High School and Junior College. Children, in today's session, we are going to learn some beautiful moral, right? One of the beautiful moral, that is, be respectful to others. Even if the person is small or big, we have to be respectful to others. So, for that, I have got you all a story from which you will learn to respect others. Let's get started. Be respectful to others. Now, what is the value, core value of the story is respecting our elders is our topmost duty. That means parents, grandparents, uncles, aunts, teachers, everyone who are elder to you. Not only that, but I would say we must also respect our friends. We should talk to everyone with respect. We should not be harsh in our words, respectful. Now, let's get started with a story. There was a little beautiful girl. She was very naughty and did not respect anybody. There was a small, beautiful girl. She was naughty and did not respect anyone. She never greeted her grandparents. She never helped her mother at home. She was not respectful towards her grandmother. Neither did she help her mother in kitchen. She never used to share things with anybody. She never watered plants in the garden. Very naughty, no? She would never help her mother. She would never water the plants. She never used to share her things with anyone. So that means, though she was beautiful, but she had some bad habits. But with time, she learned. Let's see how she did. Improved. In spite of this, everyone loved this little beautiful and cute girl. Even though she was naughty, she had certain bad manners. She never greeted, she never helped, she never watered plants, she never shared. Still, everybody loved her because she was very, very cute, chubby cheeks. This little girl grew up and became even more disrespectful. Now, as other people who loved her did not try to correct her on time, so as this girl grew, she became more disrespectful. She became more and more ill mannered against the expectations of elders. Means nobody expected that she would become from bad, she will become worse and worst. She was very rude to all her elders. She used to shout on them. Shout means very bad habit, no? When you shout at your elders. So she would also do the same. She broke her toys and domestic things. Whenever she used to get angry, she would break things in the house. Very bad. She used to hit all the puppies on her way to school and market. When she was going to school, she would hurt everyone. Means she grew up to be more disrespectful towards others. She used to hit the puppies on her way to school. Almost everyone was badly fed up with her behavior. Everyone decided to teach her lesson. Now, everyone in the house were very, very upset with her behavior. So one day they decided that they would teach her a lesson, that she must respect others. Her mother stopped giving her favorite dishes to eat daily. The first thing the mother did was she stopped feeding her favorite dishes. She stopped cooking for her favorite dishes. So, definitely, this beautiful girl did not get to eat what she liked. After a long time, the little girl learned a very big lesson. Now, after a long, she learned very lesson that the behavior of others had also changed towards her. Her mother stopped cooking lovely dishes for her, and people talked less with her. So she learned that there is something wrong. She learned a lesson. Now she started respecting everyone, and everything on her in her surrounding became a good. Now, what did she do? She started respecting everyone because she realized that this is just because I'm being naughty. People don't like my behavior, so that is why this is the way my mother is punishing me by not cooking my lovely dishes. So she started respecting everyone and everything at her surrounding and became a good girl. She became a good girl. Now you know what it is, right? We should not hurt others. We should speak sweetly to others. We should respect our superiors. We should not shout at others. We should not behave rudely with others, right? What should we not do? These things we should not do. That means, to sum it up, we should be respectful towards others. We must value them, right? Love them. And these are the important words and with its meaning: beautiful, pretty, respect, to show regard, share, have portion of something with others, share your things, expectation, a strong belief that something will happen, rude, cruel, domestic, related to home or family, fed up with, annoyed or bored, dishes, various food items, snacks, light meal. That's all for the day, children. I hope you all enjoyed the story. And from now onwards, a new lesson you have learned, that you must respect everyone, whether the person is small or big. Value them, be good to them, be kind to them. That is what we learned, right? Thank you, children. See you in next session.